Okay, let's start our ball game. Team Elite Boys versus Team DNS.
Laki. Yan daw, kasabi ni Chip. Ah! Sabi, di ba?
Okay, first six, pasok na po. Captain po, captain po. Now serving Tokoy Brown. I serve nakuha ni Luigi Sinente Riley. Turnover. Point goes to Team VNS. Score is 1-0. Service pa rin Tokoy Brown. I serve nakuha ni Luigi Sinente Riley. Inover ni Romy. Nakuha na ni Brero. Sinente. Good serve by Riley, nakuha ni number 7. Sinente Tokoy Brown, nakuha sa number 14. Point for Team VNS. Score is now 2-1. Uy, good pa rin. Nakuha yung bola. Sinente sa kabila, inover ni Carsten. Nagiging siya. The score is now 3-1 in favor of Team VNS. Uy, namalakas ang serve, kaso outside. Score is now 3-2, still in favor of Team VNS. Now serving Roby. Good serve, nakuha ni Jerry. Sinente Tokoy Brown, pumalas sa number 7. Nakuha ni Kailan. Ay! Point for Team VNS. The score is now 4-2.
Love.
Now serving. Good serve. Binalik ni Seth. Wow! May justice ang kanyang doon. The score is now 3-4. Lamang pa rin ang sa Team PNS. Now serving Carson. Good serve, nakuha yung bola. Sinet dito by Brown. Pumalo si Jerry, kaso not over. Score is now all 4. Carson still on the serve. Ganda din yung Jello doon. Sinet ni Pipi. Pinalo. Point for the Elite Boys. The score is now 5-4. Service pa rin ang Carsten. Once din Sinet. Pumalo si Jenny. Inside. Score is now all 5. Now serving jersey number 16, Jelly. Serve, nakuha ni Roby. Pinalo ni Luigi, nakuha ni Jerry. Sinanito kay Brown. Grabe, lumalaban ang Elite Boys sa Team PNS. The score is now 6-5. Nice serve by Carson. Ay, galing pala. Nawala si Gavin.
Lang.
Score is now all 6. Now serving jersey number 7. Now serve, nakuha yung bola. Point for Team PNS. Score is now 6-7. Service by jersey number 7. Good serve, nakuha ni Garay. Sinet ni Riley. Pumalo si Luigi. Outside. Happy birthday, Senor. The score is now 8-6. Substitution. Still on the serve. May serve, nakuha ni Roby. Sinet ni Art. Pumalo si Luigi. Good pa rin. Nakuha ni Rai. Inaan. Pumalo si Sam. Nakuha pa rin yung bola. Sinet, pumalo si Sam. Point for Team PNS. The score is now 9-6 in favor of Team PNS. Number 7 still serving. Good serve, nakuha ni Seth yung bola. Sinet ni Art, inover ni Daniel. Good pa rin. Nakuha ni Tommy Brown, inover ni Allen. Nakuha ni Seth. Sinet ni Art, pumalo si Luigi. Blocked by jersey number 12. Score is now 10-6. Natawa na rin siya. Still on the serve. May serve, nakuha ni Garay. Sinet ni Art. Bumataw. Ay! Good! Pumalo! Good pa rin! Inover ni Garay. Nakuha ni Adrian. Sinet, pinalo! Outside. Sa ating red. Score is now 10-7. Now serving Luigi. Nice serve by Luigi. Nakuha ni Jello. Sinet ni Pipi. Pumalo si Adrian. Inside. Score is now 11-7. Now serving jersey jersey number 12. Good serve, nakuha ni Roby. Sinet ni Art. Bumataw si Roby. Inside. Score is now 11-8. Laking pa rin ng team PNS. Now, the service line, service error. Score is now 12-8. Substitution. Grabe, artista naman si Jose Rizal. Now, serving jersey number 2, Seki. Next service, Seki, nakuha ni Ruby. Sinet ni Art. Pumalo si Ruby, nakuha ni Jeno. Sinet, pumalo si Omen. Inside. Grabe, ang bilis nun. Napasit daw. Seki still on the serve. Outside. Score is now 13-9. Substitution. Rolling out and return. Now serving Art. Good serve nakuha ni Jello. Sinet ni Seki, kumalo ni Jello. Inside. Grabe, nag-iinit siya may tulong. Now serving jersey number 14, Abdel. Nice set. Sinet, pinapalasan. Point for Team Elite Boys. Score is now 14-10. One more ball ang ating elite. Good serve by back, nakuha ng Jello. Sinet ni Seki. Pumalo, ay, hindi umabot. Score is now 14-11. Bam still on the service line. Good serve, nakuha yung bola. Sinet, over, boy pa rin. Sinet niya, pumalo si Jose. Uy, ingat-ingat tayo guys. Score is now 15-11. Now serving. Serve. Reserve is by jersey number 18. Score is now 16-11. Substitution. 16 out, 1 in. Serve, nakuha ni Seth. Sinet ni Art. Pumalo si Luigi. Nakuha sa likod. Sinet ni Seki. Kaso not over. Score is now 16-12. Serve by Karsten, nakuha niya din. Sinet ni Seki. Pumalo si Nakuha. Bakit sa Daniel? Grabe, ang sisipag nila sa Blacks ngayon. Score is now 16-13. Nice serve, nakuha ni Jello. Sinet ni Seki. Pumalo si number 7. Nasa outside. Score is now 16-14. Dalawa na lang naman ang Team PNS. Service pa rin ni Carson. Outside. Score is now 17-14. Now serving jersey number 1. Nakuha yung bola. Uy! Miscommunication. Point goes to Team PNX. The score is now 18-14. Get ready for next game. Team TNHS versus Team Takbo. Nice serve. Nakuha ni Luigi. Sineti R. Uy! Buti ka na. Boy pa rin. Sineti number 1. Pumal sa number 7. Tumalit ni Luigi. Nakuha ng 10. Sineti number 1. Halo! Grabe! 19. I'm sorry. Nabalik ako. Nasa kami. 18-15. Nakuha ka ng score. Substitution. Ganayin Jose Rizal. Now serving Ganayin. Ay! Wow! Pumasok ngayon! Si Netiar! Bumatag sa Luigi! There's a violation. Point goes to Elite Boys. Score is now 18-16. Nice serve by Garay. Nakuha yung bola. Ay, nakalibot. Warning 16. Ang announcement lang po, yung parents po na nandun sa kabilang side, lipat lang po kayo sa dito sa kabilang side. Wala daw po parents dun sa kabilang side. Lipat daw po dito sa other side. Thank you po. Parents and players po, wala po dun sa kabilang side. Dito lang po. Kasama nyo na lang po yan.
Kailangan nyo kasi.
Okay, back to the ball game. Now serving jersey number 7. Outside. 19-17 na po ang ating score. Now, the service line. Luigi. Uy! Nice jump serve. Sinit. Pumalo si Abel! Inside. Last 17. Get ready na po ang ating next game. TNHS versus Team Takbo. Now serving. Jersey number 12. Good serve number 1 is set. Yung over. Pinalo. Good pa rin. Pumalo. I think pinalo lang. Ay! Point for Team BNS. And that's the end of our ball game. Get ready. Next game, girls division. Team Tanusan High School versus